In order to use stkATOM as collateral on Interprotocol, you'll first need to liquid stake some ATOM. So go to app.pstake.finance/cosmos/stake and connect the wallet of your choice. Agree to the terms and privacy policy to proceed. Now under the Choose Asset tab, search for ATOM and select it. Fill in the amount of ATOM you wish to liquid stake and proceed by clicking the Liquid Stake button. If you didn't have your ATOM on the persistence chain yet, you will need to approve two separate transactions. The first one transfers ATOM from Stargaze to the Persistence Core 1 chain via IBC. The second transaction liquid stakes the transferred ATOM on pStake. But in this case we just needed to sign the second one. If you click on the button next to Validator Distribution, you can check the current list of validators on the Validator Distribution page. Once you've received your stkATOM, you can now head over to app.inter.trade. Make sure you are on the Vaults tab and connect your wallet on the right upper side. Now scroll down the page and choose stkATOM as collateral. You'll find a pre-filled vault summary on the right, with the minimum deposit needed, amount of IST and collateralization ratio. Note that before you can personalize the vault parameters, you will need to deposit your stkATOM onto the Agoric chain if you haven't done that yet. So go ahead and click the deposit button. You can use the built-in IBC feature to transfer your stkATOM from Persistence to Agoric. Review the IBC transfer and hit the Proceed button to execute the transaction by signing it in your wallet. Once the transaction is approved, you can go back to the page by closing the pop-up window. With your stkATOM transferred to the Agoric chain, you can now configure to Vault's parameters and check out the new summary on top of the page. If everything looks good, proceed by clicking on the Create Vault button. Note here that you will need at least one IST to interact with contracts on the Agoric chain. So if you do not have that, you can click on Deposit IST. Here again, with the built-in swap feature, you can easily swap any token of your choice for some IST. You can even do cross-chain swaps via Squid Router using the same interface. Review the swap and click on Proceed to sign the transactions in your wallet. Once all transactions have been approved, you can close the pop-up window again and hit Proceed. Approve the transaction to create your vault in your wallet and wait for it to confirm. And there you go! Your vault has been successfully created. You can go to Manage My Vaults to get an overview of your total debt, the value of your locked collateral, and so on. By clicking the vault, you can adjust both your collateral and debt by selecting several actions such as deposit or withdraw your collateral. Or you can mint more IST and repay your outstanding debt. Finally, to check the amount of IST you have minted against your stkATOM, you can simply go to your wallet and find your new balance.